Akshath, whatever professor this means is just not real, just like fake, or I could say not real or something like that. Yes, so today we are going to do an science experiment. How bacteria grows on our skin. Growing on our skin. Bacteria. Seriously? Excuse me. So we did half of the experiment. Only half. But I'm going to tell you some of it. So, part 1. Measure 100 ml. You have to measure 100 ml of water. Excuse me again. And excuse me again. We use hot water to do this experiment. We measured 100 ml of hot water. Like, not from the tap. We did it with a jug. Like a big bottle of a jug. Hot water. Part 2. We added 1 packet of gelatin. 1 packet of gelatin. Do you know what the gelatin means? It's a pig fat. Into the water. In a pot. Like, remember last time I actually said in part 1 that we used the jug thingy. We put that hot water inside, and now we put the gelatin inside that hot water.
How did you measure 30 ml with what?
So, add 1 packet of gelatin, and we use this syringe. Well, it's a funny word, right? Syringe. It's syringe. So, look at this. We use this like this. Like that. We put it inside and pulled it. That's disgusting.
For measuring water.
For measuring that thing. And then add 1 packet of gelatin we did into the water. And stir until we stirred until it dissolves. And then part 3, we added sugar. We added 2 spoons of sugar inside here. And then we agitated it. Stirred it or agitated it. Whatever. Okay, so after that, we kept it inside for 10 minutes. We kept this pot inside for 10 minutes away. And then 5, we took it, and then 5, take 2 Petri dishes, and then you should okay, excuse me. So then, what was I? Okay, take 2 Petri dishes and then pour 30 ml.
Show the Petri dishes.
The Petri dishes here. They're jelly now. we did these petri dishes. So after that, we poured 30 ml of gelatin mixture into all the dishes. Into 2 dishes. Well, last time I thought there was 4, but there was like 2 because these are the caps. And excuse me again because I'm right now sick. So after that, we of petri dish with the help of this syringe. This is a syringe. We use the help of this to take all of this inside this and like that. 20. We did 20 ml. Look, we did 20 ml like that, and then we did this. Wait, okay. Okay, here's 20 ml, and then we poured it like this, and then we did 10 ml, and then we pour it like that. And then we did 20 ml on the other one. Okay. Okay, so now part 7. We have to wash our hands in this one. We actually took these plates, put them away for 2 hours with this timer. Well, it only goes to 1 hour. So we did 90 minutes, then after 90 minutes finished, we did 20 minutes, which was tricky to finish. And then we had to wash our hands. Well, we didn't do this. We have to wash our hands, and then after 2 hours, take, I think we did this. Okay, I think we did it. Okay, so, excuse me. Take a what do you call this? Sterile swab, or you can call this anything. Swab or sterile. This is the thing. In a closer look, you can see it like this.
Take it out.
I took it. So then, now first, I have to clean my hands. So, first I'm going to do the dirty part. First I'm going to do this. I take some of this, and then I put it on the gelatin. Like this. I do like that. But I'm going to do the dirty part first. And now I'm just going to label it with this. I have stickers here. So now I just have to take the purple one. Purple means clean. So clean. And excuse me.
Take a pen and write.
Oh, Professor Akshath. And I am not Professor Akshath. Actually, I need a pen. Red is my favorite color. Okay, whatever. You just have to do it. C E A C L E A N. Clean. And we just did clean. I'm just going to come back washing my hands. Now then, we are going to take this. No.
Toto.
We are gonna do the toe. That is so ridiculous. Dirty. This is the dirty part. Okay, guys. This is dirty. And my sister is sitting with me right now. Hey guys, it's bad. I think I did it in the wrong areas. Do you know who's videoing this right now? My mom. Wait for 5 minutes or 5 hours. Or like whatever. Now I'm just cleaning on this gelatin. Cleaning. Oh my god, that's so disgusting. My mom helped me to do like this. And it's all dirty now, it's broken. Okay, now, the clean one is done. But now, I have to... My sister wants to try, but right now she can't. My sister can try taking out the sticker. Take out the sticker for me. My sister can't do it.
She can stick it.
My sister will help me to stick it. Because she can't. Now stick it there. On the dirty pan. Excuse me again.
Are you right?
Dirty. This is dirty and clean. Can you see that? Dirty and clean. So, yeah. This is dirty and clean. So after this, we're doing part 8. No, we're doing still part 7. We did that, we did this. And then we should rub the end. We did that. Petri dishes. Tape. Place the Petri dishes in a dark room. You can put it inside under your TV. No, you can't put it. Okay, come here, guys. You can put it under your table, or you can put it under your sofa, or you can put it in your kitchen drawers. But guys, do not put it where dishes are, because all the bacteria will go inside. Guys, put it where a dustbin is. Okay, put it in a dustbin drawer. Check. You should check your. You should check your Petri plates every day, every single day. How much bacteria has grown in these stuff? They can't shake because they're jelly. So right now, actually, I'm sorry to say this. After it's 14 days, you should throw this away. And this is waste. I'm going to take this waste out.
Not now, after 14 days, just use the sticker.
After 14 days, I'll take out the sticker and put it on these boats. And throw them away. And tomorrow I'm going to make it. In 14 days, we're going to just throw away. After 14 days, we'll make another video and we'll show you something cool. And after that video, we are going to do a science experiment about molded bread. Do you know how molded... Okay, thank you. Bye right now.